So hello guys, today we are going to see how we can create our own website totally free of cost, no of cost, totally zero rupees. So open my browser and now we need let me clear two things. First things is that we need first of all one is hosting. So first is hosting, and we are going with 0 webhosting because they provide such another type of domains. uh, so we are going to 0 webhosting, and another one second thing is that we need some domains for free. So which website will provide you for free domains? So this website will provide us for free domains. So let me sign in first. Okay, hello test. Okay, going to my domains. I have already parked this domain unknownprogrammer.tk. I am just test for it. So let's park another domain. Going register new domain. So this is second step. First step is our web hosting. So log into your web hosting. If you don't have an account, then sign up it with Google or anything else. No, you can also sign in with and sign up with this Facebook, and I am just go with Google account. So here you can see that here is click on create new. I want to give you my website name is abcd00 abcd. So this is my website name. I know this is weird, but this is only for test. Give the password, click on create. Don't wanna save my password. This is optional. If you don't give your website name, it will automatically detect anything else name, shop name, and give to your website name. Then after this will create your website. Here we can see that now we go with install WordPress. Now we are going to install WordPress, and you can also upload your own files, but I don't have my own website but files website, but I want to install WordPress. So here is the admin. Let me clear these things. I just enter my password, click on install. It will take some time. So after, go to configuration page. This is our website abcd00 abcd.00webhostapp.com. so here I'm going with admin. Give your password, remember to me. Okay, login, password save. Okay, so here is your website is now hosting on web host server, but you can let's check our site. Here is our site. You can see that our site is, after we don't have a domain, this is a subdomain of web host app. So our site is like this type of this. So now we need one domain. I have already purchased one domain. This is totally free. Let's pick up another one domain. Let IMC ABCD. So here you can see that the available two domains. I will go with the TK. Click on checkout. Here it's provide 12 months for free, 1 year. Go click on continue. click on I have read and agreed the terms and condition, place an order. Here you can see that is $0 totally free. Is your number is that okay? Now go service and go into my domains, then click on manage domains, click on management tools, then name server, click on customer server, and go into your hosting, click on tools, then set web address. Here you can see I have already parked this domain, but I just delete this domain. We just add new one, so it will delete the older one domain. So after deleting that, we just add our new domain, click on park domain. We just park our this domain, so just copy and give it to next. So here is the name server. Those two are name servers, so I will just copy this first name server and go into my freenum account, and here I am going to paste this one and second one also, and just paste. Click on change name server. Okay, now our domain is activated. Going to this one, park domain, click on park. Now we'll show you green message, our domain is parked. So here we can see that domain has been parked. So I am just click on this one, but our website is not found. Why? Because we just need to link our website to in this site. Okay, so I'm just link going to connect. So our website is updated. So here you can see that our website is www.abcd00abcd.tk. This website, our website is on hosting, no cost, zero cost. Let's we just change our theme. Click on add new, go with latest, and just I am select randomly anything else theme. I'll just go with this theme. Just activate this theme. It will show in the theme. So here is our theme. We are just refreshing this page. So our site is completed. This is our first post. So here is your WordPress is here. Let's create one post. So now we don't need of this. I'm going to close. This is our posting, so I don't need this one. I'm going to close. So now that your website is totally posting on webhost. So let's check, copy and paste, click enter. Yes, here is your website. I'm going to publish, updating, view post. Let's check. Sorry, no, we checking our site. Recent post is here. So guys, I hope you can happy with this one. If you like this one, subscribe Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye bye.